Hello, friends. This is Tony Desan, space rocker of the planet Earth, back with another different video. Today, it's a Sunday, and it happens to be like the middle of the month. Like the middle of the month. And of course, in this series that I have for this month about how to live a more carefree life. How to live a more carefree life, become, hopefully, an entrepreneur, a person that is in business for themselves, and eventually become financially free. That's the ultimate goal. And it could be done. It could be done fast. It could be done slow. But it shouldn't take more than 10 years. So, it all depends when you start. But it's a constant battle. And, of course, I'm going to give you some tips. And you're going to write them down for all this month. And those tips are going to be like the foundation on all this stuff about becoming financially free. And the tip for today, or the lesson for today, is hit the reset button. Hit the reset button. What do you mean by that, Tony? Hit the reset button. Exactly that. What happens is you are hustling and bustling. You're a hustler. If you're a true hustler, you can't have more month than money. You have to have more money than month. Okay? Because you got to come out, at the end of the month, you got to come out ahead. And how are you going to do that? When you have everything going on, like government regulations, things that you have to pay here, things that you can't get away from, like, say, sales tax, or in these days, food. Sometimes I hear these guys saying, "Oh, you gotta go on this fasting diet." Yeah, that sounds like a good idea, right? Not eat for 3 days. Yeah, that means I don't spend any money on food for 3 days. Yeah, that sounds like a winner to me. Well, it doesn't work for me. That diet doesn't work for me. But other than that, back to the hit the reset button. What I mean by that is this: you can't stay stagnant, okay? You can't stay in one place. You have to keep searching. Keep opening up your network of friends, your network of people that's going to help you get where you want to get. And that's a never-ending story, right? But if you lose focus on it, and this is the middle of the month, the end of the month comes around, and you're going to have more month than money. And you're going to be short. And when time for rent or for mortgage or for whatever comes around, you're going to be like, oops, I slacked off. I didn't do what I had to do because I'm here all by myself, trying to survive in this freaking jungle, this business jungle. So you have to reset your button by the middle of the month. And sometimes you have to rewrite things or change things around. If things are not going well, you have to go another direction. When you're an entrepreneur, you don't care about what happens. You know that if something's going wrong, you got to change it. Right? and you got to make your hustle some other way. So sometimes it happens. It happens right in the middle of the month. So that's why I'm saying the middle of the month is the time to look back and hit that reset button. And don't worry about what's happening. Don't worry about all the fads. Don't worry about all the hype. Don't worry about what's going on in the White House. Don't worry about what's going on the street with all this rigmarole, protests, and that's going to happen regardless. That's going to happen regardless. So you stay away from all that crap and focus on your craft. Focus on your business. Focus on your money. Focus on your economy. Because if you focus on your economy, the economy is going to get better. See? Especially your economy. If your economy gets better, along the way, everybody else's economy gets better too. If everybody did the same thing you're doing, right? So, how are you going to waste time? Oh, I have to go protest. Oh, I have to go help this friend of mine that's down in the dumpsters. Well, what happened to your friend then? Why is he in the dumpsters? He probably chose to be in the dumpsters. So don't worry about him. Hey, give him a call or whatever, but don't go over there and pity party with him. You know? You're a hustler. You're a mover, a shaker. You can't be wasting time on nothing. And you have to hit that reset button in the middle of the month. And don't worry about what's going to happen next month. Don't worry about that. Because it's not a month-to-month thing. It's a day-to-day thing. Being an entrepreneur, being a hustler, is you hit that street every single day. It doesn't matter. And you do it with grace. And you do it with joy. And you do it because you love it. Because it's a big game. And you're the winner of the game. You are the winner. Nobody else. Okay? There's no time for second place in this entrepreneur life. There is no time for second place. Get that in your mind. There's no time for that. I'm not even talking about third place. I'm talking about second place. You're the winner. Period. That's it. Hit that reset button and go do it all over again. There's another week coming, and it's going to be a great one because you're not sleeping. You're wide awake, and you understand that the economy is your economy. Hit that reset button. Yeah. And with this one, I want to say hi to everybody. I want to say hi to all the people around the world that follow my music and follow my videos. I know who you are, and I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. And like I said, this month is going to be like this. And maybe if it goes well, I'm going to go to the board and show you a few things. Maybe next month. But for now, I'm hitting that reset button and going on the street with all of you. This is Tony Design, space rocker of the planet Earth, still living in this beautiful planet called Earth today with the message of hit that reset button. I'll see you in my next video.